I am so glad that you're here on ThetaHealing.com because that means that you are really ready to dive deep and change your life. Because that's what Theta Healing does. It just transforms your life in this sort of almost magical way, but not really. It's not just ethereal. It is ethereal, but it's not just ethereal. It's also very nitty gritty. It's kind of a combination of these two, which is one of the reasons I love it. I have been doing theta healing now for 20 years. I can't even believe it myself. I have been able to support hundreds of clients and students in deepening their intuitive skills, their connection to the universe, to source, to the creator of all that is, whatever term you love to use for that. And it's just an amazing, life transforming technique. In sessions, we look at what are your beliefs? Well, actually, I got a little ahead of myself. First, we allow you to feel, I will guide you through a visualization that allows you to feel your already existing connection, unbreakable connection to Source, Creator, the universe. And then we pinpoint what beliefs are just keeping you stuck, just holding you back, keeping you in a place that you don't want to be anymore. And maybe those beliefs used to serve you. Maybe you needed to have those beliefs for some reason, but now you don't anymore. And you can feel it, but you don't know what to do about it. So that's what we do in sessions is we help you to feel your connection to the universe, feel where you are, who you want to be and are supposed to be. We transform those beliefs that are holding you back. We take a look at the energy that you're entering each day with. We give you tools to change that because I'm assuming that's what you want. And that's why you're here on ThetaHealing.com. You're like, something's got to change. So that's what sessions are like. They're beautiful. I will tell you that I don't love just doing one session with somebody because I've never met anybody who needed just one session. So I prefer to work in packages of 3 sessions so we don't both get all like stressed out. Okay, we got to do everything in this 1 hour. But I know you might want to meet me and get to know me a little bit. So that's why I offer a free 15-minute little call, a Zoom, so that you can get to know me and I can get to know you a little bit. So if you would like to do that, just hit that green book button. It'll take you to my Calendly and you can find a time that works for you and we can talk. If you are here because you're interested in becoming a theta healer and taking a theta healing workshop or continuing your theta healing journey, yeah, even more magic. That 3-day basic theta healing course is amazing, full of, like I said, both magic, connection, and just the nitty gritty. What do we need to do each day to create what we want in our lives? After that basic course, you are fully certified to have paying clients. Also, to do theta healing on yourself and your family and friends. And then there are many other theta healing courses beyond that basic course. And I teach almost all of them. So whether you are interested in theta healing sessions, in theta healing workshops, hit that green book button. It'll take you to my Calendly, and then it'll give us 15 minutes to talk and figure out where you'd like to go from here. Hope to see you soon.